the amount and the normal trades where if we go and see a normal trader like me, I even do day trading, I do intraday trading. So my maximum trades are going to be 5 to 6, whereas cap, okay, they almost within an hour they have almost I think 30 to 40 trades. The arbitration, if you know, you require a lot of volume. Okay, the profits are going to be very small, but the volume has to play the game. Okay, and this is where the volume comes in because of the cap. See, there are almost 22,000 users as of now. Okay, and the volume of BNB is approx, I would say 500 million or something like that. Okay, so this is plus our leverage system because of crypto helps us to gain that sort of a profit.
Second question. So, since you already said that you will also get bonuses if your referrals joining, so it's multi-level marketing, right? You already have 20,000 people. What if you don't get the 20,001 people? Do you think this can still continue? Because if people are not coming in, if new money is not coming in, others are not getting paid. That's how MLM works, right? But here, if it is just based on trading and not MLM, MLM can be like referrals, right? Which is a separate thing. Or it can be pure MLM where somebody gives money, then you get paid. So in this case, if nobody is joining, will this still continue? Is it sustainable?
Okay, it's a very good question. So now let me be very truthful. You have that 22,000 people, okay, that 22,000 who are already there. Our main focus is arbitration. Referral program is just for a marketing purpose. It's not our main motive out there of where to look out. Okay, like maybe we should be increasing users much. Okay, we are more focusing on the capital side more. Okay. Even if 22,000 users tomorrow stops getting a new user, okay, and in fact they just keep reinvesting with us, we still have that money to arbitrage.
Final question. So, since you're already making 5% roughly from the team side, you don't need new money to come in because you're already self-sufficient, right? And if you're a trader, if you are doing bot trading, or if you are doing HFTs, high frequency trading, you already have enough skill set to generate the money on your own. Why would you give out free money to people? Like, there is no need for it. And 1.2 to 2.7% on a daily basis is very high. In the financial system, you can take it from the barter system to present times. No company has survived by giving 1% interest, correct? And even if you're talking about high frequency trading, the best to best firms will give you around 35 to 40% APY on a yearly basis. You are giving here like 8,000% APY on compounding basis. So 40% and 8,000%, that's a huge jump. And you said it's already working for maybe 1 year, last 12 months, and this is working. But you also, as a person, as a country's representative, is not being able to explain how this arbitrage is working. You are telling that this arbitrage is working, and you see the results.
I didn't understand it. What do you mean by arbitration?
So you said that there's arbitration, which people are doing with the money that normal people is putting in.
Exactly.
But this arbitration is happening where?
Nice.
This arbitration is happening where? You are not able to answer that. Like, is it in DeFi? If it's in DeFi, what is the amount of slippage tolerance you are doing? Right? If it is in CeFi, what kind of trading fees you are paying? So even if it's high frequency trading, there is always some fees you are paying, either as trading fees or for slippage or gas fees, whatever it is, right? So there is no clear clarity on this, like exactly how this money is being earned. Maybe the strategy is there arbitration, but then arbitration in 2022, 2023 is very, very thin. It is not 2014 where you can move money from Bitcoin from one exchange to another exchange and earn millions of dollars. So right now everything is, there's bots, there's sniper bots, which is going in different NFT crypto markets and everything. But then those companies also are giving 0.8, 0.9% or 1% on a monthly basis. So this is very, very high. So I just don't have the clarity that how this is happening. And if it is happening, you don't have to disclose the strategy, but you have to disclose like where it's happening.
So, firstly, to answer your first question was, how are we giving out so much money to the users? Okay. Uh, Again, I would say arbitration. Because of arbitration, we're giving out our money. And sorry, I have your question again. The very first one. Okay, so the places where we are doing arbitrations are, multiple exchanges, be it Binance, be it Qcoin, or be it a lot of other, other platforms. So we have partnered up with almost 7 to 8 platforms. Okay, and all platforms are very stable for you. Okay, we are not. We're not going to go कि एकदम कि आज के टाइम पे कल अगर नहीं मिला कल अगर टूट गया तो फिर क्या करेंगे वो उसमें we don't take that risk. Our profit on the trades are very small comparatively. If you go and see on the platform itself, you'll have a proper guys. You'll have a proper transparency of okay where is it traded, say Qcoin. Okay, Qcoin से आपने Qcoin से लिया है BNB से Ethereum से पूरा आर्बिट्रेशन करके 3-4 जगह पे बेसिकली करेंसी एक्सचेंज करके and then back to Q. वो चीज होता है. Am I still clear or I still confused you?
So when you said that you are trading on centralized exchanges as well, so yes. I have worked in centralized exchanges for 2.5 years. You cannot prove on chain that if you have traded on centralized exchanges. That's a database. You can take a picture and you can show it to people. That's the only thing you can do.
Exactly. That is how we are showing. Yes.
Hi guys, this is Joseph. Basically, I'm from Delhi. Okay. And a pro trader. And I'm just into the crypto space since last around 6 and 7 years. Okay. And I'm here in Kolkata just for the new personal reasons. Okay. And I come here for around 2 or 3 months and I go there. Okay. And they are the great people here. And they are making awareness all over the like Kolkata and near the places. So you can grab the knowledge. So you cannot grab the knowledge from the social media. So you can visit them and you can ask anything. Like they are the great people. In my knowledge. So first question for you that did you ever launch such kind of a scheme before that? Cat.
Have we ever launched a
Yes. So this is your first concept, I think. Okay. So this is the first concept.
But our traders who are
Okay.
already our traders are basically 5 to 6 years of experience and I've had they have 5 to 6 years of this just in this arbitration experience, the arbitration trade experience.
Okay, so just basically you are saying that you are generating profit from the arbitrage, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so in terms of arbitrage, you are saying that we used to transfer funds from Binance to Coin and like buy trade, okay. And I can also invest, okay. And I have invested in so much MLMs, okay. And I came into the crypto after the like Ponzi schemes. So yeah, like I used to call Ponzi scheme by that like if somebody is giving to you like on capital, something is like that is called interest. Like 1% and 2%, that is not interest against you. Okay. And if you have something that is showing that we are transparent and we are generating profits, okay, so that is something legal. Alright. If you do not have something that is that you do not have transparency, okay, and we are not generating profits, so that is not legal. I am just a trader, okay, and I do trade according to the market. So sometimes I am generating like on a quarterly basis, on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis. So sometimes I used to generate like on a capital of $1,000. That is an example. I'm generating guys, please, guys. So sometimes, so this is a very like knowledgeable thing that you are here and you have to grasp the things and why these people are come here and so much you will learn here. So this is the first question that if you are saying that we are doing arbitrage, okay, so I think this is a very impossible thing. So I think so that as I've been to the market since last 5 and 6 years, and I am doing trading all over the exchanges like Bybit, like Binance, and you can say KuCoin and Bitget, etc.
Very recently, I was just on an exchange. I was on Binance basically. Okay. I was trying to buy Bitcoin for myself.
Okay. So you're trying to buy this. Okay.
I was just looking at the calculations and everything. So, say